It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, January 9th. I'm James Spann. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We climb out of the deep freeze today. At least we go above freezing. We'll put it that way. The high should be around 40, and we stay dry. Maybe some rain before the weekend is over. Next week, looking a bit unsettled. Let's go in there and take a look at things this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view, and it's the same setup there. A big trough in the east, and a little secondary push of colder air will drop in here tonight. And that's going to make the weekend start pretty chilly tomorrow morning. These are temperatures around daybreak. Today is cold as 16 in Gadsden, Anniston at 19. Then you got low 20s for Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. We figure most spots will go above freezing by about 9 or 10 o'clock this morning. That will end approximately 40 consecutive hours with temperatures below the freezing mark here. Around the nation, hard to find any warmth, but at least it's not quite as cold as yesterday. Despite the cold air, relatively quiet. Winter weather advisories in effect for some places up north around the Great Lakes, and really that's about it. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. This is suggesting about 1/2 inch, and we'll start the chance of some rain as the weekend wraps up late Sunday or Sunday night. Check the modeling, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at noon today. This is at 500 millibars, ridging in the west, troughing in the east. And it's cold, and notice the gradient is a little tighter today, so the winds will start to pick up out of the north. And again, we'll project a high around 40 in most spots. All right, tomorrow, the morning's going to be cold. The GFS is printing 15 for Birmingham. So very cold early in the day. And the high again, I'd say close to 40, maybe low 40s with a sunny sky. All right, Sunday. You can see that massive rain west of the state with shortwave energy. Let's take a look at the GFS. This is the high-resolution GFS, which will help us with the timing a little bit here. This is Sunday at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting rain could be falling maybe north of Birmingham at that point. We'll start to mention the chance of rain Sunday afternoon and Sunday night. This is Monday at noon. Still looking relatively wet. And again, nothing heavy, no thunder. And we should be above freezing during all of this, so no issues with snow or ice. The snow problems will be up north, places like Indianapolis and Columbus, Ohio, and Pittsburgh. But clearly a chance of some rain at times on Monday, periods of rain. This is Tuesday, looking relatively dry. That could be kind of a lull in the rain, but the sky will stay mostly cloudy. Wednesday, here comes a big batch of rain. This might be the wettest period. This is Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock. And then Thursday morning at 6 o'clock. The rain at that point should begin to be moving out of here. So Wednesday night into early Thursday looks fairly wet there. And again, just, a cool rain falling, no thunder. And it's not cold enough for ice or snow problems, although this is suggesting maybe some snow down into Nashville Thursday morning. And all that will be winding down during the day Thursday. This is Friday, a week from today. Still ridging west of the state. We've got troughing over the east, but there's no, cross-polar flow. So Friday, temperatures ought to be exactly where they ought to be in January, with highs in the low 50s and lows in the low 30s. What there toward the end of the forecast period, January 23rd, that doesn't look very cold, with heights above average in the east, below average in the west, and that's got a big storm system in between. That's right, be a big rain event here. Of course, that's pure speculation this far in advance, and on the 24th, that system is out of here and nothing excessively cold. And look at temperatures off the ensembles. Once we dig out of this, numbers just don't look that bad. We have a couple of days next week with highs in the 40s, but you see potential maybe for reaching 60 by the 21st or the 22nd. That sounds pretty good. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television site, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.